Alright, what's up, people? Back again. Alright, this is where we left off last time. And what we did was, we went and got all our packages that we needed. Patches. Okay. So here's where we are. So, what should we do? What should we do? I'm going to shrink this up. Okay. Exit. I'm going to temporarily exit this window here. I should have another one behind it. There we go. And just moving stuff around. Let's say this. And let's say Vim my LFS up here. So I can pull back up the list. New sources. Details to do. Okay, good deal. So I'll just read from this list and follow the book and pick these off one by one. Alright, so libnl. I just saw it. I'm going to use something for it. Let's say libnl. Okay. Suite contains libraries, APIs, network link, blah 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 blah. Read all that. We have that. Okay. So, I am sorry. First, let's find out where our stuff is. We want to move, say, cert data, and open SSL into the where we dumped all our packets. And I'm going to copy all, or copy now. Probably going to get an error. Copy now all to mount SDA 8 new sources. Okay. Okay, so that's done. And let's log in, why don't we? As our user. My name is Douglas. Okay. And I'm going to cd into sources. Good. Everything's here. Okay. And I can clean this up a little bit. Some old stuff left over. Actually, I should have did quiet on that. That's pretty big. And I want to make a directory and call it dhcp424_all. And move dhcp424all to dhcp424_all. And I want to take DHCP all, and I'm going to move that to old. Just to clean stuff up. Okay. I'd like to save all my old tar balls. And let's say remove this here because I never installed that. Don't need it. Alright, this is where we begin. So, as user, I'm going to say tar xpf libnl. cd into libnl. And let's say .run configure. Prefix equals user. Sysconfig directory is equal to etsy. Disable static. And I'm going to string these together and say make. What's the SBUs? 0.3 SBUs? That's a good amount of time. So I'll install this and I'll cut the video off here.